The BJP versus BJP war in Mormugao has escalated further. This time, the BJP MLA Alina Saldana reacted sharply to the comments made by her fellow BJP MLA Movin Gudino against her. Alina alleged that Movin made such statements meant that he was feeling insecure and he has not done any development in Kortalim even though he was an MLA for last 20 years. This clash also led a top BJP leader to say that Movin has Congress mindset.
Yesterday, Dabolim MLA Movin Gudino hit out at his neighbor Alina Saldana for not taking up any development work and that whatever development is in Kortalim was his effort, and that Alina was taking credit for his work. Alina now blamed Movin for taking credit of her development works. Like Movin, Alina too brought late former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in the picture, saying Parrikar gave her charge of Kala Bhavan as Movin failed to complete it. Alina said being minister for 3 terms, Movin ignored Zuari Nagar. It was her husband Matani Saldana who took up sanitation work in Zuari Nagar and she is taking the legacy forward.
It is only when you are insecure that you feel the need to claim what others have done as your own. The whole of Sankwal has been telling me time and again that the foundation stone for the Panchayat Ghar was laid 2 times. Where was it laid? Inside Movin Gudino's office. And I would like to state that till date the stone is still in the office because the Panchayat Ghar has not yet seen the light of the day. How many years was Movin Gudino the MLA of Kortalim constituency? 20 years. 20 years were not enough for him. The fact is that he was never interested. He was never interested in developing the constituency, in working for the people, and now he feels the need to claim credit for the works that I have done. He claims that he did the Kortali market project. Now that is a real joke. I feel very sad that men of his age can resort to such life. How the entire process of tendering, entire process of getting the work done, selection of tiles, everything has been done. Unless maybe, who knows, in his dreams he did the project. I would like to challenge Movin Gudino to point out a single complete structure in the constituency of Kortali that has been done, taken up and completed by him. There isn't a single structure. He was the MLA of Kortali constituency for 20 years. आणि याच खातीर लोक जेन्ना तो सांगता आपूण येतलो म्हाज्या मनशाक धरतलो लोक विचारता कित्याक कितें करपाक 20 वर्सां पावूंक ना ताका कितें तरी करपाक आनी दाखोवपाक की आपणेन 20 वर्सां कुटाय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचो MLA जावन हें तरी केलां म्हूण कांय करूंक ना. He started the Kalapa. It was just basically the outer shell with staircases and maybe no tiling, no flooring, no electrification, no auditoriums, no bathrooms done, nothing, no water connection, nothing. And I knew that this project was riddled in many issues. And I didn't want to take it up. But only again, because the late Chief Minister, Parrikar ji, asked me, he told me, look, Alina, there is quite a lot of money that the government has put into this project. So you cannot let go of that project. Please take it up. I would like to ask him, did he do anything in Zuari Nagar? The population is increasing. Okay, there was an urgent need of toilets and bathrooms for the people because they did not have this infrastructure. Till there is not a single bathroom or a toilet that was specifically constructed by Movin Gudino. The first toilets were constructed by late Matani Saldana, and after Matani Saldana, I have done the project. He did not think of any section of the society. Nothing has been done. And now he claims everything is his. I mean, at this age, resorting to such lies, it is indeed a shame. Real shame. Okay? And I would like to tell him that as a Minister for Protocol, please, if you cannot abide by the protocol, rules and regulations, then you should give up that post. And I also request my party, the BJP, to put some sense in this mind of his, because he's losing control, I think. He doesn't know what he's talking. Everything he has done, and yet the execution, the planning and execution happened during my tenure. So why is he lying? I request the BJP party, to which I belong, to kindly intervene and put a stop to this nonsense that is going on. And I would also like to tell this MLA, stop your pathetic behavior. Your insecurity can be seen through. Thank you.
Kortalim BJP President Narayan Naik and South District President Tulsidas Naik, Sakwal Punch member, also hit out at Marvin.
ही प्रवृत्ती जी पळय आसा ती काँग्रेस प्रवृत्ती. आमी भारतीय जनता पार्टी हांगा घडयल्या कुट्टाळान आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे आमचेर संस्कार जाल्ले आसा आनी आमी बरी प्रवृत्ती अजून दवरून आसा. आमची प्रवृत्तीन तो काल पयर येयला, तेणें थोडीसो टायम घेवन शिकची, कोणाक कितें म्हणप. जावं तो मिनिस्टर, ताका फूल रिस्पेक्ट आसा, पण सगळ्याक तेणें तेजे प्रोग्रामाक येवना अशें वायट म्हणप न्हू आशिल्लें.
म्हाका जेन्ना इन्विटेशन मेळ्ळें तें इन्विटेशन हांवें जेन्ना वाचलें तेजेर पळयत जाल्यार आमचे लोकल MLA मॅडम अलिना साल्ढाणा हिचें खंय तरी नांव नाशिल्लें. दाबोलीचे जायत जाणांक आपयलेले. कोर्तालीम आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जी पंचायत येता थंय जी आमची सिटींग MLA आसा तिका कित्याक सायडीन काडली. आयज हांवें पळयलां CM सुद्दां जेन्ना दुसरी कोणाची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाता थंय समज आमचो पार्टीचो सोडून ओपोजिशन सुद्दां जेन्ना MLA आसता जावं ते सरकारी कितें आमचे फंक्शन आसता तेन्ना सुद्दां तो ते फंक्शनाक ते ओपोजिशनाक आपयता. आनी आयज आमचे जे सिटींग MLA आसा हे फंक्शन आसा, हे पब्लीक फंक्शन, हे गव्हर्मेंट फंक्शन, हे कोणाचें पर्सनल फंक्शन न्हू. आपले पर्सनल फंक्शन आसत जाल्यार ते आपले रायट आसता, कोणा आपप कोणा ना ते.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Kortalim.